probably changed a light bulb 100 times. But in Victoria, Australia, that could actually get you fined. Or worse, arrested. Under the old Electrical Safety Act, changing a bulb without a license was illegal. Only certified electricians were allowed. Why? To avoid electrocution risk. But seriously, if twisting a bulb needs a license, what's next? A permit to microwave popcorn? Imagine calling an electrician just because your hallway light went out. Hello, sir. Yes, it's dark, and I'm scared of jail. Sounds insane. It actually happened. The law's been relaxed now, but it's still technically in the books. So next time your light flickers in Victoria, maybe just sit in the dark. Subscribe, because the next law might ban your toaster.